guys, what's up? Welcome on section 51. As usual, you are watching DozGeek. The subject of this new video is a very bizarre subject, but it's also a strong subject. It puts a lot of questions. And this is a subject, this is not a very fresh subject. This is an old subject which comes back very often. Every year we talk about this when we have some very strange and very big events, some events that are literally or completely changing the world. That subject is about the famous Nostradamus. Nostradamus was a French scientist, a French man who pretended that he could see in the future, and he tried to write on the paper all the predictions he could see in the future. So I propose you now to go to the web and to make our own opinion about all this and about what said this famous Nostradamus about the COVID-19. Yes, people, the COVID-19. Nostradamus could have made some predictions about the coronavirus and the COVID-19 which are attacking us today. Let's go to the web now. So we are on the website of the Express.com, the famous English newspaper with a lot of ads, a lot of windows. That's not usually the kind of paper that I like, because we have you can find a lot of sensational news on this kind of newspaper, but sometimes you have some interesting articles, so you have some gold in the articles. And wow, look at this, a very beautiful patchwork of advertising, of articles. So the article of today, it's an article written by Sebastian Ketley and published on April the 2nd of 2020, and the title is Nostradamus 2020, did the French physician predict coronavirus and COVID-19? Wow, a very big question. If he asks the question, it's because maybe he ever has some kind of answer to the question. Nostradamus predicted the coronavirus pandemic nearly 500 years ago, according to astonishing claims made by conspiracy theorists online. Hey, we are back again! Conspiracy theorists, yes! But if they are conspiracy theorists, why on the Express.com, why are you spreading this news to the public? Because you are putting more fuel, more gas on the fire. Please. If this is a conspiracy theory, don't talk about this, don't spread the news. Oh, the 16th century French prophet Nostradamus is believed to have predicted the rise of Adolf Hitler in 1933 and the Great Fire of London in 1666. But many of Nostradamus' followers are also convinced the supposed mystic warned the world of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 crisis in 1555. So we learn that Nostradamus has followers. Maybe Nostradamus has a YouTube channel with some followers and some subscribers. I don't know. That would be funny to watch the official YouTube channel of Nostradamus. But maybe this is serious. We don't know. So Nostradamus published his prophecies and predictions of the future in his 1555 magnum opus Les Prophéties en français, in French. The tome contained a collection of 4-lined poems or quatrains divided into chapters called centuries. Each century holds 100 vague and cryptic predictions that Nostradamus followers have linked to real-world events over the decades. Members of the Nostradamus forum on Reddit have now linked one of these quatrains to coronavirus. And here we can see some picture, some illustration of Nostradamus, the French mystic. And here, this is a better known illustration of the French scientist. Nostradamus 2020, the French physician, is hailed by many as a prophet. Reddit user usupreme900 shared the following Nostradamus quatrain. When the letters are overturned by the whirlwind and faces are overturned by cloaks, the new republic will be troubled by its people. At this time, the Reds and the Whites will rule wrongly. This is the prophecy. When the letters are overturned by the whirlwind and faces are overturned by cloaks, the new republic will be troubled by its people. At this time, the Reds and the Whites will rule wrongly. This is the prophecy of Nostradamus. According to the Reddit user, the passage could be a reference to people wearing face masks in response to the virus. The coronavirus spreads on tiny droplets of bodily fluid that are released when coughing or sneezing. Many people wear face masks to try and lower the risk of contracting COVID-19. The Reddit user said, "This first line doesn't really mean much, but the second line can be people with face masks and the new republic, Italy, will be troubled by its people." We have here a little comment of Brian Dunning, Skeptoid podcast. Nobody has ever used Nostradamus' writings to predict a future event. Yes, the fact with Nostradamus' prophecy is that it's always after the events have happened. Because when you read the text of when you read the writings of Nostradamus, you have to admit that it's very difficult to decode, to decrypt what he mean, what he wanted to say. This is very difficult to transcript and to interpret, to have an interpretation of his writings in order to predict a future event. It's always after the event has happened that you can maybe hope to confirm the prophecy with some signs or some things in the sentences that are matching with the real events. It could mean that their citizens are sick and there is so many that it's giving the country a lot of trouble handling it. The last line could be the Red, Communist China, and the whites could be either the USA or Italy, will wrong. Other members of the Nostradamus Forum, however, suggested the passage could instead be a reference to the 1917 Russian Revolution or the French Revolution of 1789. Reddit user Misislav Stilinsky said, "I think the overthrown litter is a reference to the platform royalty is carried on." This then refers to something like the French or Russian Revolution in which the royalty of those countries were overthrown. Whatever the case may be, it is more likely the Nostradamus quatrain is not a reference to any real-world event. This is what the writer thinks, what the journalist thinks. This is not my way of thinking, this is not my opinion. Professional skeptic and host of the Skeptoid podcast, Brian Dunning does not believe Nostradamus had any mystical powers of foresight. On his podcast, where he debunks popular hoaxes and conspiracies, he said, "How accurate are his predictions? You could fill a library with books claiming to match quatrains with major events in world history. All, of course, deciphered and published after those events occurred." Yes, I agree. The straight fact is that nobody has ever used Nostradamus' writings to predict a future event in specific terms which later came true. I agree again, but that doesn't mean that Nostradamus was wrong all the way. Maybe Nostradamus was able to predict the future. Maybe he was linked to some power in the space or in some other dimensions, some kind of beings that we are not able to understand. This special link could have helped him to see all these things, or to say him all these sentences, all these words, in order to make him put all these things on the paper. Because we have to say that we have to admit that all the sentences, the prophecies of Nostradamus, as they are written on the paper, they are very strangely written. It's always difficult to understand the meaning of the sentence. It is very blurred. It is very blurry. And of course, this blurriness gives the field for a lot of interpretations. So strong is the one who could say, who could pretend that is able to translate the prophecies of Nostradamus. Therefore, who could predict the future very precisely. But I think that it's not a good way of thinking to say no, this guy is wrong, is totally wrong, this is false, or this one this one has the truth, and we have to go there and not there. No, I think that it's more complicated than that, and I think that maybe Nostradamus has a part of truth in his books, in his words, and because sometimes when people are in trance, when they are communicating, the human spirit, the human brain is very complicated to understand. We are not yet able to read, to understand all the capabilities of the human brain, of the human spirit. So I would not be surprised that Nostradamus was able to communicate with some superior beings, some strange beings in other dimensions, or some superior beings above us, or maybe he was able to receive some cryptid messages, some strange messages that he was the only one to understand, to translate, and he tried to put all these words on the paper. This is very very interesting, again very strange, because you have to not to be close-minded, you have to be open-minded and to explore the different ways of thinking. The nature where we live has a lot of diversity. We are surrounded by a lot of things that we are not yet able to explain. So I think that it's the final thinking of the video, the today's video. And you guys, what are you thinking about all this? What are you thinking about the prophecies of Nostradamus? Do you think we can predict the future from Nostradamus' prophecies, or do you think that it's totally bullshit and Nostradamus never predicted the COVID-19? Are the 4 sentences that we read, are they true? Do they have some meaning, knowing the current event with the coronavirus? We have to stay very humble regarding all these things. So guys, thank you for watching section 51. This was a new video about Nostradamus with DoseGeek. Thank you again, thank you for your help, thank you for your support to the channel. That's very helpful for us. And again, stay safe, be careful, live long and prosper. And until the next video on section 51, you can still take a little look at our famous Spreadshirt shop of section 51. You have all the links below the video in the description. Okay guys, bye bye, see you next time.